G'day viewers, well when I did the video on this yesterday, ZX148ZTV I think his name is, had a good point. I should just carefully open this up and check the brushes, because it was a tad noisy. As I did say, this was run all day and night to supply water to his trees. So I just do a bit of a check up, make sure everything's in good nick, and see how much actual wears in this thing. Pretty sure it's just a pretty good clone of a Chinese clone of a American made Flowjet, which is shown in the previous vid. So let's pull this thing apart and see what's behind this cover and how this is all set up. Okay, viewers, I've got the bloody car battery on charge overnight here. I've used 1.5 kilowatt hours on the smart meter, and so far so good. The BAZ's pretty well in line with this, so it's pretty darn accurate. Yeah, it's just cleaning up the car and left the interior light on and drained the battery, so I have to give it a good boost to the desulfator overnight, and hopefully this battery comes good. This is the old Century format. They've just, I think about 4 or 5 months ago, got rid of this format and gone to maintenance free now. This is a USA battery, so hopefully this battery should come good and work again. Okay, if you always got this back cover off, there's an inductor and a capacitor. So this is just for noise filtering, get rid of excess hum, makes this thing run a little bit quieter. There's rubber feet there, so it's just designed to be a quiet, discreet little pump. They've used silicon, they've sealed that, so they've done a good job there. Got a 334 nanofarad capacitor. So you can see there to filter any excess line noise. So earth, that's connected to the blue wire, which is on the chassis of the motor, so that's right. And we've got neutral coming in there, goes in, filtered through there, active goes in, filtered through there. So we've got active filtering on this side, and this coil is on the neutral side. So let's pull this back part off and give it a check. It's not too badly made either, so I'm going to get me a little socket set out for that. Let's see how good the brushes are inside. Okay, viewers, my grandpa was indeed correct. He did run this thing day in, day out, 24/7. Look at all that brush material there. Bridge rectifier, so it's a DC motor. Permanent magnet, it's a DC permanent magnet motor. Bearings pretty good. Com bars themselves, they feel alright. I'll give them a bit of a clean. That brush is worn out a lot more than this one here is. Bridge rectifier, we've got some filter, that's I think that's a MOV. Got some inductors, some filtering there. That's a thermal cutout, I think. And a diode there, diode there. There's wires aren't too good. There's a bit of a crack in the insulation there. Very nasty wires. That should be illegal. The wires aren't flexible enough, so I'll give this a wash with some contact cleaner. Clean up those brushes, clean that crap out of there. Clean up the com bars. Clean up all that dust out of the motor. Actually should run quite well. Bearings are smooth, they're pretty good actually, the bearings. Alright, let's give it a bit of a clean. Bet this thing will run a lot happier. Okay, viewers, I just blew all the crap out with some compressed air and watered some black dust come out of this thing. Bit of water spilt in the pump unit. It's a lot cleaner now, looks brand new in there. Give that com bar a bit of a clean up. I wonder if this will actually work as a 240 volt generator. If the pump ever dies, I might just put a pulley on that and put the outlet straight to these brushes and see what sort of voltage you get on a powering it with a Honda motor or something. I reckon this will make a handy little 240 volt generator. Just the frequency won't be 50 Hz. And probably won't be a sine wave either. But for something that has a switch mode power supply, doesn't matter. it's only going to chop the waveform up and filter it anyway. Yeah, bit of cleaning you need to do, so I'll just keep doing this and see how well it looks. Okay, viewers, that came up okay. Okay, I've had a bit of a bar for some contact cleaner and it seems to be okay. It's definitely a Chinese pump though, it's a low quality circuit board and everything. But the brushes look like they're replaceable. You just unplug those, pull the springs out of the way and slide them straight out. And it isn't very good at all. That one is pretty much all the way gone. Even a bridge rectifier is cheap, it's not very good quality plastic. Yep, L1, definitely an inductor. C1's not used and C2 is not used on here. Must have been for extra filtering. Alright, let's put it back together and give it a run. Okay, viewers, before I put it back together, let's do a quick proof test that this does run on 12 volt. So I'll hold that there so you can hear it, and I'll contact the alligator clips on the battery posts and you'll be able to hear it move. Yep, running on 12 volt DC. There you go, the motor works. We know the brushes are contacting evenly, that's good. Alright, let's put it back together and give it a test. Okay, viewers are back together, let's give it a test. Sounds a little bit better. Alright viewers, that seems to be a bit better now. Viewers, first day of daylight savings. Let's see if this smart meter's gone onto it. No, 1341. Still says it's 241. 141. It's actually 241. This still says it's 141, so hasn't done anything. Even the our main smart meter out in our meter box is still on normal time, so they're obviously not that smart, are they? And yeah, that's enough for now, viewers, so thanks for watching.